Hello students, today I am going to start the exercise 17.4 from the book Emil Agarwal. The name of the chapter is to find centroid coordinate geometry chapter. Last class I have already discussed how to find out the centroid of a triangle. ABC is a triangle number 1 question having coordinate -1, 4, 2, 7, -4, -3, and you have to find out the centroid of the triangle ABC. As you know, the centroid of a triangle ABC, the formula is already I have told before, the sum of x coordinate by 3, same process sum of y coordinate by 3. Now add all the x coordinates, just see, -1 plus 2 minus 4 by 3, and y coordinate, this is 4 plus 7 minus 3 by 3. So what is the answer you are getting? This is -5 plus 2, that is -3 by 3, and here you are getting 4 plus 4 minus 3, 1 plus 7, 8 by 3. So then the centroid of the triangle is -1, 8 by 3. This is the way of finding the centroid of a triangle having coordinate A, B, C. Next question is C, number 2 question. Question number 2, it is given. Find the third vertex of triangle if two of its vertices are one triangle, two vertices given. Suppose draw one triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, the vertex A given is 3, -5. 3, -5. B given -7, 4, and third vertex not given. Let the third vertex be xy, and the centroid of a triangle given, that is 2, -1. 2, -1. The centroid of the triangle it is given. Okay. Now how to find out? The centroid of the triangle given, and vertex of A, vertex triangle vertex has 3 vertex, A given 3, -5, B given, and C not given. Let us see. Let us assume the coordinate of C x, y. Now centroid formula, centroid of the triangle A, B, C. The formula is G whole into x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now G given here, that is 2, -1, and this side you put the value of x1, that is 3 -7 plus x by 3. Same process, -5 plus 4 plus y by 3. Comparing both sides, you will get, comparing both sides means this coefficient, x coefficient, the coordinate of x2, and here x coordinate 3 -4, that is -4 plus x by 3, and y coordinate here -1, and this side -5 plus 4, that will be -1 plus y by 3. What you are getting here? The x will be how much? 6 plus 4, 10, that means x is equal to 10, and y will be how much? -3 plus 1, that is -2. Therefore the third coordinate of the triangle will be 10, -2. Okay, this is the answer of number 2. Let us go next one. See the next question, you have to find out area of triangle. Find area of the triangle. Okay, you have to find out area of triangle. First part, you draw one triangle, coordinate given. The triangle A has vertex, coordinate given 2, 7. B vertex given 3, -1, and C vertex given -5, 6. You have to find out area of triangle. Okay. Already I have explained before. You have to find out area of triangle. Area of the triangle. The formula is half. That is 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 1. Then 3, 1, 2. This is the way of memorizing area of triangle. 1, 2, 3 means x1, y2 plus y3. Same process. This will be how much? Half. Now x1 is how much? First one, that is 2. 4 into y2, that is minus 1. Minus y3. Y3 is 6, minus 6. Next is plus x2. x2 is here 3. y3 means here 6 minus y1, that is 7. Next one is plus x3 is here minus 5. Keep bracket in minus 5. And this will be y1 is what? 7, y1 minus y2, that is minus 1, this will be plus 1. Close the bracket. How much you are getting? 1 by 2. And this will be minus 7 to minus 14. This is minus 3. And this will be 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 5, 40, minus 40. All are negative coming here. Okay. But area cannot be negative. How much you are getting? Minus 17. That means minus 57 by 2. It will be how much? Always you will take the positive value. As it is, the area of triangle cannot be negative. When it is coming negative, you have to take the magnitude mod. Means this will be 57 by 2. The answer will be 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12. Sorry, this is 57 given, 57 by 2. 57 by 2 means this will be 2 8 the 16. 2 8 the 16, 28.5 square unit. Okay, 57 by 2 means 28.5 square unit. In this way I have found number 3, find the area of triangle. Next, second part question you see. Second part, same process. The vertex of the triangle given, coordinate of the vertex of the triangle given. The first vertex is 1, 2. The second vertex of the triangle given minus 2, 3. C given minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, and you have to find out area. Same formula, area formula is half 1 by 2, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means x1, y2 minus y3. Then 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Then 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now put the value of, that is x1 is how much here? x1 is here 1. y2, that is 3. Minus y3. y3 will be plus, minus 4, that is plus 4. Next is plus x2. x2 is here minus 2. Minus 2. y3 minus 4 minus y1, that is 2. Plus x3. What is the value of x3 here? That is minus 3. Then y1, that is 2 minus y2, 3. Now close the bracket. How much you getting? 1 by 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 into 1 is 7. This is minus 6. Minus 6 into 2 plus 12. Then this will be 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, that will be plus 3. That means 1 by 2 whole into 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. You are getting 11 square unit. 11 square unit. So what is the answer? Area of the triangle in the second part of number 3, 11 square unit. Let us see the next one. Just see. See the next question. There are 3 points given: minus 3, 4, 2, minus 5, 11, 18. You have to check whether the 3 points are collinear or not. Whether the 3 points are collinear or not, you have to check it. to be proved the 3 points are collinear or not, if the area will be 0, that means 3 points are collinear. That means you have to find out area containing the 3 points. First point, this is first point, second point, third point. Therefore, just find area. Let us assume the 3 points are not collinear. Applying the formula of area of triangle having 3 vertex, formula is what? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, then 3, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now put the values of x1, that is first point coordinate, x1 coordinate, that is minus 3, bracket y2. y2 is here minus 5 minus y3. y3 is here 18 plus x2. Here x2 is 2. 4 into y3, that is 18 minus y1, that is minus 4 plus x3, that is 11. 4 into y1. y1 is how much? 4. y1 minus y2, that will be minus 5 means plus 5. Okay. How much you are getting? 1 by 2. This is minus 18 minus 5, that is minus 23. Minus 23 into 3, that is 69. This is coming 23. 23 into 3, that is 69. Next 18 minus 4, 14. 14 to the 28. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 into 11, 99. All the 3 numbers you add, how much you getting? 1 by 2. This will be 69 plus 28. It is coming how much? 97. 97 plus 99. Just add how much you getting? 1 by 2. This is addition will be 196. 196 by 2. This will be 2, 9, 18, 2, 8, 16, 98. 98 coming. Okay. That means their 3 points are not collinear. 98 square units. Square units. Therefore, the given 3 point, the given 3 points are not collinear. Are not collinear. The given 3 points are not collinear. If the area will be 0, that means the 3 points are collinear. Okay. In this way, today I have completed few questions from the chapter coordinate geometry. Thank you for today's class. Next I will continue more soon. Thanks for today.